Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Black. I am going to explain to you how to make a counting hat today. So, first thing you need to do is get your supplies. Now, don't forget, you can pause this video at any time and go get whatever you need or do a certain task and then come back to the video and press play when you're ready. So, first, you will need to get your paper, crayons, scissors, and a glue stick. So if you don't have all of those things, pause the video, go grab everything you need, and come back and press play. Okay, by now you should have your paper, crayons, scissors, and a glue stick. Here we go. After you get your supplies, you are going to color your paper neatly. Remember, neatness is the best. Third, count the number of items in the picture and write the number in the box. You can use the different strategies that you've talked about with your teacher. You could cross them out, you could number the items. Any strategy you can think of to make sure that you count each item correctly. Fourth, you cut out the squares on the dotted lines. So altogether you should have 6 separate squares. Fifth, you glue the cards on a sentence strip or any paper strip that your teacher has given you. Sixth, you glue your hat together, or you can ask your teacher to staple your hat, whatever your teacher prefers. And last, you have fun wearing your hat. Now don't forget, if you have missed any steps or you're not sure what to do, you can go back and watch this video again. I hope you have a great time wearing your hat. Bye-bye.